Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reply to a comment with video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and I'm going to leave a comment on my second account post. Wait, I'm going to search for my second account. Okay, this is my second account on TikTok guys, and I'm going to leave a comment right here. I'm going to go to the comment section and I'm going to add this comment like this. I'm going to post the comment and then I'm going to reply this comment with a video. I'm going to go to my second account. I'm going to switch to my second account on TikTok. Okay, this one. And I'm going to open the post I have just added my comment to. I'm going to go to my profile and I'm going to open this post, and this is the comment I want to reply. We can click on reply and then we can click on this video icon to reply to a comment with a video. Tap on the video. Okay, and the comment will appear on our video guys. We can take new video, or we can upload a video from our gallery. And for example, I'm going to upload video from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, as you can see that the comment has been added to this video. And then before we upload the video to our TikTok, we can edit the video. We can go to the editing section right here, and then you can add sound, text, effect, or up to you. And once you're done editing the video, you can click on next. Okay, tap on next. And you can add description for your video right here. Okay, you will be able to add hashtags and mention as well. And once you're ready to upload it, you can click on post and the video will be posted with a comment on it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!